Fucking ban nuke. I don't want to see that shit. Ban Mirage. I don't want to see that shit. Inferno can go. Ban Inferno. Tired of playing on that shit. Gotta wipe my hands. Hey bro, they're hacking. They're using game card. I think that's good. I think this is good. Your Mac 10? No? Here, switch me. You like that craft? Hard ass craft.
Look at it. I pulled that one.
He's on my right. Oh, fuck. There's two on site. For sure.
I think that's it.
No, there might be one more on site. Yep. Yeah, there he is. Got him. That was oh, kill him.
Pick up.
Oh, I'm dead.
Well, actually, do you want an apple?
One more flag.
Who the fuck killed me? Fred!
I pulled the pin out of the grenade before I threw it.
You draw me.
Oh, I thought I had him.
Yeah, that was the nigga who killed me.
Oh no, I got the guy with the first. There's two guys. I'm gonna have to pull out old reliable. Let me sell my shit actually.
Yeah, you guys play Uma Musume?
What?
It's the anime horse girl racing game.
I don't watch anime.
Yeah, Fred's a fucking weirdo. We should kick him.
Bro,
I don't think you should do that.
Yeah, that was fucking terrible. I shot my teammate in the leg, bro, in the back of his calf.
I'll curb stop you, nigga. Shut up.
Was that hard, bro? You fucking hater.
Navajos are trash.
Nah, you're fucking trash. Navajos are clean. I'm gonna throw a molly over.
You just molly me. What the fuck?
He rotated.
He definitely took one.
Trade me.
Nigga, trade you. Why do you want Boreal Forest?
It didn't even load on my. It didn't even load on my. Give my shit back. It didn't even load on my screen.
Yeah, we're cooked, bro. Sorry.
Yeah, I think we're done for the. Nah, no, you know what? With the power of friendship, we could win this. Damn. That's the invisible motherfucker. What is it? What do I do? That's the one. Look, you're about to launch my ass. You wanna see? Well, you wanna watch? Look. Look. You're about to launch me. Ah!
Damn.